Here at Coleg y Cymoedd we've got 5 dedicated state-of-the-art labs that are split into chemistry, physics and biology. They've all got their own services. They've got their own tech rooms as well that are specialist for biology, chemistry and physics. We've got ranges of equipment from very simple stuff like stopwatches up to very high-level stuff looking at particle beams and electron beams and looking at the effect of magnetic fields on them, sort of the stuff that would be present at CERN. In terms of the facilities that are available, they would be pretty much standard within industry as well. Somebody coming from the college after completing a science course here, going into an industry laboratory, would be very familiar with the type of equipment that they have there.
I wanted to deal with radiography and x-rays and decided that a science course would be the right thing for me to do because it'll give me an overview of all science. It covers most areas of biology, chemistry and physics, so it'll give me an idea of where I need to go from there and hopefully apply to go to uni to do the radiography course I'm looking to do.
I just really love science. I've always enjoyed chemistry and physics. I wanted to do my A-levels again because I'd never heard of the Access to Science course. It's a year long. You're doing the main subjects.
My favourite things about doing the science course at Coleg y Cymoedd here are I get to come in every day to a good lab. You get to do experiments, you get to learn new stuff.